Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that focuses on creating systems and technologies capable of performing tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These tasks encompass a wide range of activities, including problem-solving, decision-making, language understanding, visual perception, and learning. At its core, AI aims to simulate and replicate human cognitive abilities using computational methods and algorithms. The concept of AI dates back to ancient times, but its modern development began in the mid-20th century. The term artificial intelligence was first coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference, where researchers gathered to discuss the possibility of creating machines that could simulate human thinking. The initial excitement surrounding AI led to ambitious expectations, but progress was slower than anticipated due to limitations in computing power, lack of suitable algorithms, and an incomplete understanding of human intelligence. AI can be categorized into two main types: narrow AI, also known as weak AI, and general AI, also known as strong AI. Narrow AI refers to systems designed and trained to perform specific tasks without possessing general human-like intelligence. These systems excel in their designated areas, such as voice assistants, image recognition software, and recommendation systems. They are highly specialized and do not possess consciousness or self-awareness. On the other hand, general AI is a theoretical concept where machines would have the ability to understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human being can. This level of AI remains largely speculative and has raised ethical and philosophical questions about the implications of creating machines with human-like cognitive capabilities. Machine learning is a crucial subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data and improve their performance over time. ML algorithms analyze large datasets to identify patterns, make predictions, and adapt their behavior based on new information. One prominent technique in ML is deep learning, which employs artificial neural networks inspired by the structure of the human brain. Deep learning has revolutionized AI by achieving remarkable results in areas such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and even playing complex games like Go. Natural language processing, NLP, is a subfield of AI that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP technologies power chatbots, language translation services, sentiment analysis tools, and more. NLP models like transformers have demonstrated remarkable abilities to generate coherent text and engage in human-like conversations. AI's impact is felt across various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, entertainment, and education. In healthcare, AI aids in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and drug discovery. Financial institutions use AI for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment. Autonomous vehicles rely on AI algorithms for real-time decision-making, enabling them to navigate complex environments safely. Ethical considerations are central to AI's development. As AI systems become more integrated into society, discussions about bias, transparency, accountability, and privacy are gaining prominence. Bias in AI algorithms can lead to discriminatory outcomes, reflecting the biases present in the training data. Ensuring fairness and transparency in AI systems is an ongoing challenge. The potential of AI raises questions about the future of work. While AI has the capacity to automate routine tasks, it also creates opportunities for humans to focus on more creative and complex endeavors. Adaptation through education and upskilling is vital to harness AI's potential while addressing the potential displacement of certain job roles. AI's trajectory is dynamic and rapidly evolving. Researchers continue to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, from self-driving cars to advanced robotics. AI's future direction involves not only technical advancements but also ethical, societal, and regulatory considerations to ensure its responsible and beneficial integration into our lives. As AI technologies become more sophisticated, striking a balance between innovation and ethics will be essential to navigate the ever-expanding landscape of artificial intelligence. Dear friends, what are your views about artificial intelligence? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you.